Hi, let us begin with data mining. Now, what is data mining? If we have huge amount of data and we have to obtain some useful insights out of it, so we use data mining for this purpose. Now, we have different stages through which we go and understand what is data mining problem domain. Now, if we have some business problem, we have to apply data mining techniques over it. Then how will we do that? Suppose we have some business problem and we need some insights out of it. Now, first step is to acquire data. So data acquisition will be your first step, which can be done via web servers, logs, databases, APIs, online repositories, and many other sources. Now, if you get the data, you will get it in the form of either table or object oriented or some other form. So you have different forms in which you will get this data. Now we have next step as data cleaning. What do we do in the data cleaning is we remove the missing information by filling it with some random data or some heuristic data. Then we deal with the inconsistent data types. Now what do we mean by inconsistent data types? That means if we have different data set, then information which is being stored into it can be of different data types. For instance, if this is string, this is float, this may or may not be char array, this may or may not be double. How would you integrate float and double? How would you integrate string and character array? Although they both have same properties, but integrating them would be a challenge, and that is something which needs to be handled. Next is misspelled attributes, duplicate values. Similarly, we have lot of information which is either not required or which is missing and we need to fill it, or there is some duplicate information which needs to be removed. So this is the process of data cleaning. Next we move towards data transformation. In data transformation, what we do, we have heterogeneous information or heterogeneous data. That means if this data is of the form D1, this data is of the form D2, and this data is of the form D3, then we have to convert it into the coherent data set. After converting into a single type of data set, we will give it as an input for data mining problems. This is the complete area of data mining. Earlier part was the pre-phase, and then after mining the data, we will be analyzing some patterns, and then we will be giving it as a visualization, and we will be presenting it in the form of some graphs, in the form of some bar charts, or in the form of something which can be analyzed at the later stage so that the actionable insights can be taken. So this is the form of data visualization, which is done after pattern evaluation post data mining. So this is the pre-phase and this is the post-phase. Now our only part is data mining, which we need to deal in this manner. After data mining, what we will do, we will deal with both these stages, and these both stages will be replaced by data science. Exploratory data analysis. Here we covered all those tips which are associated with data mining.